Today is Tuesday, March 26th. This is the 1966 Cadillac Eldorado Carter 4-barrel carburetor. This is the 4169S. This is a June of 1966 date-coded, period-correct carburetor for the 1966 Eldorado. This unit is for my friend Edward in Alabama. The unit came to me really in extraordinarily bad condition, whereby it was totally seized, obviously had not run for many, many years, and the unit has been completely disassembled all the way down to the final screw and immaculately restored to show quality restoration. Performance tuned specific to the 429 1966 Eldorado engine. Okay, so this unit is ready to basically install and start the car. As I said, it's already performance tuned specific to the 1966 429 Eldorado engine. And this will be going out to my friend Edward as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1959 through 1976 Cadillac items in my collection, through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, such as this 1966 steering wheel, which will be shipping out relatively soon. The tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, March 26th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.